who was big, black. And indeed, there are lots of kind of connotation about big, black, mentally ill. There was a fantastic research way back in about 20 years ago called Big, Bad, Black and Dangerous. Michael Orville, I think the name of the person was. Sorry? Oh, sorry, okay. So my patient was big, black, and very unwell. But immediately people thought that he must be dangerous because he had assaulted before. Not that he's going to assault this time. He was deemed highly dangerous before. So what happened was he couldn't speak. He was locked up. He was my patient. I went and spoke to him through his narratives. So he told me how he was feeling, and we found out that actually once he starts speaking, he is a very articulate man, and he would describe his trauma of being through the mental health system as highly marginalized feeling. So he said that because I don't speak, I don't want to tell people how I feel, whether I'm hearing voices or not. They lock me up because they think that I'm dangerous. They think I'm big, that if I swing my arms, 5 people will fall down because my arms are heavy. Nevertheless, it wasn't due to mental illness. We got him some therapy, somebody who's skilled at intercultural therapy, and he was out of this high secure hospital within about a month or so. But what was that about? It is about giving him a voice. And this is how it goes. You are big, you're black, but are you dangerous? You shout at me, I feel frightened, but are you malicious? Your thoughts drivel in chaos, but will you attack? You shout and swear, you intimidate, but will you crack? You were violent, you killed before, will you again? Placed in seclusion, behind locked doors, you scream in vain. In isolation, you can't breathe. Are you George Floyd? What can I do to make you listen when you feel so deeply destroyed? How can I help you when you don't listen? Please tell me how, because you've got to speak, yeah? How can I protect when you're at risk? Please tell me how. Only you can tell me, can't you? Before it's too late and your tears run dry, your voice is made numb, please communicate and give it a try. Together, we shall overcome. So the song goes like that. You are big, you are black, are you dangerous? You shout at me, I feel frightened, are you malicious? Your thoughts drivel in chaos, will you attack? Shout and swear, you intimidate, will you cry? You were violent, you killed before, will you again? Placed in seclusion, behind locked doors, will you scream in vain? Isolation, you can breathe, are you George Floyd? What can I do to make you listen when you feel so deeply destroyed. How can I help when you don't listen? Please tell me how. How can I protect when you're at risk? Please tell me now. Before it's too late, your tears run dry, your voice it made now. Communicate and give it a try. Together we shall overcome. Please communicate and give it a try. Together we shall